everybody, a new day just started and I had to stop by the 7-Eleven because I'm on my way to get the ferry. I don't know if I will, but I will try. I got a rice, kind of like a rice burger with meat inside, and my backpack right now is full of snacks from Thailand. Really, there's a lot of crisps. I got like sweet potato crisps, salted crisps, I got the banana chips, I got cakes, I got 3 bottles of water, so I'm good for the day really. Today I'm trying to keep my budget low so that I actually can do more, because yesterday dinner actually was very expensive, so today I'm trying to keep it a bit lower. Here is what it looks like. It's like a burger, but instead of bread it has sticky rice. Let's try this thing. It's much better than I expected. Doesn't even taste like convenience street food. The meat is very juicy, very spiced, very flavorful. The sticky rice is just very sticky. It's very good. I really like this. There is actually real meat inside. I stopped at the bus stop so that I can eat. It's all good. I have lots of liquids. I have cakes. And here it's a lot of traffic and a lot of noise. City noise. I was told that it's hard for people who came the first time to take buses, so I haven't tried. I'm a bit worried that I may not be able to figure out the stations and stuff, so I'm trying to walk as much as possible. That meal was good. Actually, it could be a meal like taste, only like judging by the taste, that was as good as a restaurant meal. Also, I arrived at the there are stairs over here to go up because I need to cross to get on the other side. So I have to go up on the motorway or bridge, I guess. I'm showing you the bridge. Here's the bridge. Very hot and very humid. It's actually the most humid country I've ever been in. It's the hottest country I've ever been in. But it's okay. This kind of heat doesn't make me want to faint, which sometimes happens in Sardinia. Anyway, look at this. I got my first drink of the day. This is jasmine pandan drink. I just had the taste of this. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. It tastes so sweet, but like comforting sweet. Like it feels like a hug. This drink, jasmine pandan drink, I absolutely recommend it. Keep in mind it's very sweet. But this really tastes like very perfumed, like soft flavored. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I love this. Honestly, if they actually had like seats in 7-Eleven like they do in Korea, I think I'll spend my whole day just eating there. There's a giant boat. Whew. I'm up the bridge now. I'm walking, so I'm not actually walking with the car. There's special passage for people. So my plan for the day is get a boat ticket, like a hop on hop off boat, and actually go around with the boat today. I figured getting hop on hop off is the best way to actually see as much as possible, because I do want to see as much as possible, and I think it's gonna be difficult with my inexperience and walking around and getting lost as I always do. So I'm thinking today, if I manage to find a boat, get on the boat, and then tomorrow get a 2-day pass for the hop on hop off, I can also wake up earlier and have breakfast at the hostel, because today I missed it. They didn't tell me about the breakfast though, so it's not really my fault. Managed to get it. This is my hop on hop off boat tour for the day. I managed to find the place. I'm really happy because this is around like €4, a bit more. And I think actually online I saw it for like 3 something, but it's okay. That's still good. 150 baht, and I can travel with it until 6:30 p.m. Now it's around midday, so I have some time. It has a map with descriptions and everything of all the places. Hi everybody, I am very excited about this. I am on the boat right now, and yeah, we'll see what we can see. It actually starts in the morning. It's like I woke up late today, but I'll see everything I can. I'm super excited. I want to see the Grand Palace. I want to go inside. I want to see the reclining Buddha. I want to see the temple, and I want to go to the markets, have some good food. Yesterday night I didn't feel that great, but today I feel super good. I'm glad I didn't get lost and I'm on the boat. I am right at the front. I was lucky to get the front seat and to be one of the first ones to board for some reason, even though the giant cube I found the seat right at the beginning, and we're going. Excuse me. Yeah. Chi abita qua. On the boat, I ended up sitting next to an Italian, so we ended up chatting a bit. And she was here for a wedding. She's staying for quite a while, until the 28th. So another week. And yeah, we were talking. And now I got off. This is the first stop. I was worried it might not stop here on the way back because it's on this side of the river, so I don't know how it works. This is the stop for Chinatown, so I'm going there, maybe eat something, visit a bit, and then continue. I really want to see the Grand Palace, and I want to see the inside as well. I'm going to pay to go inside as well. That's the thing I'm going to pay for. Of course I had to get bubble tea. I mean, Thai milk tea, right? It's like one of the things you have to. You have to try in Thailand. The milk tea. This is the real thing, like honestly. All those original milk teas around the world, this is the real one. It tastes so good. And also I think I almost reached Chinatown, which is really good. I'm gonna look around. I don't buy any souvenirs, maybe a magnet if I find any. Maybe get something to eat, find the temple. Yeah, so good. This is it. This is the Chinatown Road. that I was just saying that I'm not gonna buy any souvenir, and guess what? I did. I bought a small teacup for myself as a memory, as my souvenir, and also one of the spoon for soup that is the same pattern and decoration as my cup, and I'm happy. I have it here all packed for traveling with my bubble tea. Okay. This is exactly how it looked like in the pictures. Now I need to go and find maybe a market, something to eat, and then maybe I can head back. There's so many things. Oh, I'm so excited to be here now. It's so exciting, all of it. Until the moment I see some scorpion or fried bug or something. I ended up stopping for food. I got a minced pork with basil and rice, something like that. I really wanted to try because I saw it everywhere. Some like fried rice, basil fried rice, pork fried rice, pork basil fried rice. Basil was everywhere, so I really wanted to try. Here is my meal. I think it cost 70 or 75 baht. So much cheaper than what I had last night. I'm so excited for this. It doesn't taste like anything I was expecting. I don't know how to describe this taste. Actually, every bite tastes different. Sometimes I can taste the basil, sometimes the meat, sometimes the spice. Every mouthful is different. It's very interesting, but I have no idea how to describe this meal. But I think I like it. First bite, I wasn't sure that I liked it, but it's spicy, it's meaty, it tastes interesting, so I love it. I had my food, I had my drink. I think I should go. Is this fried banana? No, it's fried sweet potato. There is fried banana. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My life is complete now. I go fried banana. I really wanted to get it in Malaysia and I didn't find any. And now I have it. I love fried banana. It's my favorite thing ever. I am so happy now with my fried bananas. Now I just need to find my way back. That's what I was saying. I want to find my way back and go to the next destination. I found the yarn store, so of course I had to stop and buy yarn. Okay, so I have completely lost my mind. I'm on holiday, and what do I buy instead of souvenirs and memory stuff and food? I buy yarn. Good yarn, good priced yarn, affordable yarn, great yarn, but still yarn. Like, when do I even have time to crochet? In Korea, probably. It's crazy. Honestly, what's wrong with me? I'm too crafty. Too crafty. But ooh.
ชุดเด็กๆใครอยากจะทำบุญให้น้องหนูตัวเล็กๆเป็นเสื้อผ้านี่ด้านซ้าย
Okay, so let's talk about the fried bananas. I just had one. It tastes nutty. There's sesame seeds in the batter. It's not oily and it tastes like vanilla. It's so good. Nothing beats fried banana for me. Is the best thing ever. Fried bananas in Southeast Asia, it is the ultimate dessert. I did a lot of shopping unexpectedly, but there is a reason. Before I had troubles with my luggage. It didn't have to be over a certain weight. But now my next stop is Vietnam, and I have 20-kilogram check-in baggage. So I'm sure I can make anything fit in there if I actually do try. So I'm very happy, very excited. I go yarn. I know it's useless, but it's me. I love yarn. And I want to make something, and I love the color and the price. I got that, I got the fried banana, I got bubble tea, I got my meal, my basil rice, minced pork. I got something for a friend. I don't know if I got the souvenir, the cup, the little cup, teacup and the spoon, and that's it really. And now I'm going back to the pier to get back on my boat, trying to throw away some bottles and cups that I finished so that I can make space in my backpack for everything else. I was very confused yesterday because it was night and I couldn't figure out anything. But today I have to say I really love Bangkok. Food is good. People smile all the time. It's really true. People do smile. And I go fried banana. The world is great. My trip is great and I am happy. I love fried banana. Arrived at my next destination, my next stop with the boat tour. Here I think I can see the reclining Buddha and the flower market. So let's go. I understand why other people on YouTube kept saying that they eat a lot in Thailand because there's food everywhere. Because there's literally food everywhere. Like I saw the skewers and I just asked the price and I think she didn't understand. So she said 10. So I was like, oh, with my hand I said 10. So she gave me, and then she was like 100 and I'm like, oh, well I didn't ask for 10, but okay. But I didn't actually take. I took like 5 skewers, so that was 50. But yeah, they've been frying chicken and making noodle and everything all over the place. It's amazing. And now, by the way, I'm going to the flower market and then the reclining Buddha, and then getting back to my boat and going to the Grand Palace, I hope, because I'm getting tired and very tired, very sweaty. Here it is. We are at the flower market. More food over there.
เราชอบวัดเจดครับวัดเจดมาแล้วครับ
Now the flowers were all outside actually. Because I just exit the flower market and here they are, flowers. Those are all artificial flowers, but there are other flowers on the other side of the road as well. I'd say I successfully found the flower market. It was not where I entered the first time, that was just the market. The flower market is all outside. I am eating my skewer on the way back to find the temple, because I do have 5 skewers that I did not intend buying. It's just a big, it's like the name suggests, flower market. Places to buy flowers for your mom, sister, girlfriend, and the skewers are delicious. I mean, I should get skewers here, right? Where else would you get skewers? The camera does not capture the beauty of this place. It's impossible to capture the beauty of this place in any photo or any video. It is beautiful, it is colorful. It's beyond words and explanations. It gives you a sense of peace, of quiet. Even though there's so many tourists, it still feels so peaceful and so beautiful. Now going to see the reclining Buddha statues. It's very, very, very big. You have to take off your shoes and put them in a bag. This entire place is very, very, very beautiful. It's decorated. Every inch of the walls is painted and decorated. This place seems like it just came out of books. I can't believe such a place exists and it's real and I'm in it. It's one of those moments when I have goosebumps. It's very beautiful. I am starting to get tired though, and I think the weather is gonna get bad as well, so I think I'm gonna get going to finish my boat tour until the last ride, simply because I think there's not enough time to see the palace as well. I'll try to do that tomorrow. That way I have something to do tomorrow too. After breakfast I'm gonna get going in the morning. It's very beautiful. I had a great day. It's amazing and I have no words. No words, it's very beautiful. This place is called Watarun. It's another temple, just like the one we just saw. It's very nice. I'm not going inside for this one though. I'm only admiring it from the outside. The ticket for this temple is 200 baht. I paid 300 for the other one with the reclining Buddha. I think the other one was more worth it, to be honest. It's very beautiful here too. It's just that for me it's very similar and I don't have that much time. I actually feel very tired. But I read from the reviews, and actually there's lots of stairs here, so you can go up to the middle, you can see people, you can see from up. It's very beautiful. This one gets colored and lighted at night. You can see it's up there. Looks like some towers. It's nice, but it does close at 6:30, so although it's pretty to see at night, you can't visit it at night. But there are stairs. You can see people going up and down. There are stairs over there. But another thing is that when there's a lot of tourists and people, then even if you're up, even if you go up, then you know it's still full of tourists, so your view is not that great. It's people everywhere, but it is very pretty. It does look very pretty actually, so I am considering to go and see it. The ticket for this temple is 200 baht. I paid 300 for the other one with the reclining Buddha. I think the other one was more worth it, to be honest. It's very beautiful here too. It's just that for me it's very similar and I don't have that much time. I actually feel very tired. But I read from the reviews, and actually there's lots of stairs here, so you can go up to the middle, you can see people, you can see from up. It's very beautiful. This one gets colored and lighted at night. You can see it's up there. Looks like some towers. It's nice, but it does close at 6:30, so although it's pretty to see at night, you can't visit it at night. But there are stairs. You can see people going up and down. There are stairs over there. But another thing is that when there's a lot of tourists and people, then even if you're up, even if you go up, then you know it's still full of tourists, so your view is not that great. It's people everywhere, but it is very pretty. So actually I managed to go kind of inside. I mean, everything that is like to see mostly, apart from that thing over there with the stairs, is actually something that you can easily see from the outside as well. So the temple that you just saw with the Buddha and everything like that. So everything like here as well, you can see this from the outside. So I think the 200 baht is only to go up the stairs and inside that place. Definitely this place you don't need ticket as well, so the 200 baht was just to go inside there in the tower looking thing.